In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and redeem Starbucks gift cards on both the Starbucks app as well as the website. So here we are. Open up the Starbucks app here, as you see I've done here on my iPhone, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll see the toolbar at the bottom. You want to tap into the gift option with the little gift there. And then you're going to see something that says, got a gift card, add it here. Go ahead and tap into that button there. You're going to be presented with the option to enter in the Starbucks card number as well as the security code, or you can just take a picture. So if you want to, you can just tap the little barcode there and it'll bring up the camera, let it kind of find the code and number, and it'll automatically detect the number. The security code is going to be the code after the actual gift card number. So you're going to see a 16-digit code for the number, and then right to the right of that, you will see a security code or somewhere else on the card. So go ahead and type that in now. Once you've typed in the security code number, go ahead and go to Add Funds or Add Card. And as you can see, it's a $10 card added at the very bottom there in green. If you want to do this on the website, open up a new browser tab and then go to starbucks.com. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap into the 3 horizontal lines there to open up the menu. And then over on the menu, you'll see something that says gift cards. Tap into gift cards there. And then right here where it says gift card, go to right here where it says received a gift card, add or reload. Go ahead and go to add. Again, make sure you're logged in and you should see an option now to add. So as you can see, I have multiple gift cards here on my account. If I want to add one, I go to the add card option here. Go ahead and type in the card number and security code and hit redeem or add card and you are good to go. So that's how you add or use a Starbucks gift card. If you have any questions, put those down below. Talk to you guys in the next video.